Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and V8 engine. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.